So today, in part 4 of our mini-series, we're talking about one of the newest contraptions on the market, the Coravin. This is part of a growing trend of tech that can help us pour wine as and when we want it, but preserves the wine in the bottle so it doesn't go off. Alongside Coravin, you've got things like enigmatic machines and vacuum pumps. Vacuum pumps tend to be cheap, they don't really work that well. Coravin's brilliant, and then the enematics, massively expensive, and you tend to find in really high-end wine bars. Coravin is my pick, and it's fantastic. Here we are, the Coravin. What a great little contraption this is. This was designed originally by a doctor in America whose wife was pregnant. He had a great wine cellar, but he couldn't open any bottles because he just couldn't drink more than a glass a night, so therefore the wine would go off. So he made this contraption to allow him to drink his fine wine. How it works? Simply, we clasp on the top there. We have a surgical needle. We push this needle with brute force down through the cork. Down here, we have a gas canister, inert gas. And up here, we have the release trigger. What we do is we turn this upside down, we press this little button here, and you hear bubbles being pushed in, release it, and out drops the wine. There we go. Now, why is this important? We have in the bottle, pumped in inert gas. And as we have discussed in previous episodes, oxygen kills wine, degrades it. So by putting inert gas in, you seal that wine in, which retains the freshness. The cork, and very important, this only works with living corks, real corks. The cork seals up because that surgical needle is so thin. Seals up around it so no more oxygen gets in. Give that a few minutes, turn it upside down, not a drop will fall out. And what that means is next time you come back to wanting to try some of your R2K Rioja, it will be as fresh then as it is today. That's the Coravin, one of the greatest inventions in the world from delivering wine to your glass. Go ahead, pick one up and you will not be disappointed. That's it for today, guys. Remember, you can sign up below, you can leave us a message, and always remember, drink better wine.